Okay, good day everyone. So in this particular video, I will teach you guys how I was able to make this particular wedding design you are seeing here just with smartphone on pixellab. You don't need laptop to be a graphic designer. You can start from smartphone because many graphic designers started from their smartphone, so you don't need the laptop. If you have a smartphone, you can use your smartphone. Then once you upgrade, you can make use of your system. So let's dive into the business. Okay, so this is my plain background. There is nothing there. So I'll come over to this thing here, this one that is in this circle. Then I'll scroll down, then I'll take the image. So this is the image of the couple I want to use. I'll put it down here. So I can also decide to lock it. If I don't want it to be moving around, you just touch here. Then you come over to that same place. You press this padlock thing up here. So it means that it has already locked. It won't go left, it won't go right, so you can focus on your design. Then the next thing I will do is to come over to this thing here. This is it, so I'll just move it here. Then I'll look for the other one. Okay, so this is it already. So if I don't want it to move around, I will just lock it so I can focus on my design. So I've locked it like this. It won't disturb again. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to blend like this now. So let me show you how I was able to do this. So what you do first of all is you get shape, then you reduce it. You come over to opacity, you reduce the opacity to 0 completely. You increase it. Then you come over to stroke width, increase everything, adjust this. Then you come over to blue radius, increase it. Then the color, you can choose white. So you can decide to copy till you get to that particular point. So that was how I was able to do this particular one here. So, and also if you want to hide, you just press this particular thing that looks like eye. So you come over here, you put this here. So I've blended it already, so I don't want it to disturb me. I'll come over here and lock it. So I've locked it, so it won't disturb me again. So the next thing I will do is to get this. So this particular one here, this is what I did. I removed the color. So see, you can see I had to remove the color. Then I went to this color thing and I changed it to white. So I placed it at the back of this particular thing here just to make it look a little bit nice. So the next thing I did was circle. This is the circle. Then you just draw shape, come over to circle, then you go straight to your texture. This thing here, you can choose any image, let's say this one. So you can see here, you can decide to give it stroke to whatever thing you want. So that was how I was able to do that particular part there. So the next one I did was this one is just a line. So I just decided to adjust this way, put it at the back. So I also put their images. I decided to rotate it. There are images towards this part. So this was their images I placed. Then so I also got the second line of this. so you can see it how it is going. So I just want to lock this so it won't disturb what I'm doing. So having done that, then just adjust this one a little bit. Okay, so come over to this, the same thing. I just copy this one over there, then the other parts in here. So this is just a background. I just placed the background there to change this one. I just placed it here. Then I decided to fill in some. This one is also a shape. I just post here. So the next thing I did was I started putting in some informations. So this particular one, you come over here, curve 80. So look at this, 0 it is normal, so move it to 80, so that I was able to get that curve. Okay, so let's move on. So started putting in important details. Adjust this forward and also this forward. Okay, so started putting in the details. So our wedding program, so I have to adjust this one over there to fit in what I'm doing. Wedding program. So this edit, designed by Chi Visuals. I changed my name because I changed it on all my social media platforms. So it's Chi Visuals. My name before was Chi Graphics, so I had to change it to Chi Visuals. So then okay, then this my line over here, copy. Okay, not this line. Okay, my line over here, just copy, so it will close that part there. Just to adjust this a little bit, then toe back. So I'll go to the background in here, background toe back, so it'll be easy to get what I'm looking for. Okay, so I think this is way forward, so I'll dress it down a little bit so my time and everything can show. Okay, so it's getting interesting. So this was how I was able to make this design on pixellab. So, and also if you want to edit it, these are the apps I use for editing: Snapseed, Coloro, Lumio, then DoPhoto. They have other apps, but these are some of the apps I used to make some edits in my fonts, in my designs. Okay, so that is all for today, and see you in my next video. Bye.